Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about how to identify nodes, branches, meshes and loops. So node is basically a point which will join multiple branches, and branch is an element which is in between two nodes. So if I take that this point is one node and this point is another node, so the element, it can be a resistor, capacitor, inductor, voltage source, anything that will make a branch. So if I take this circuit, then I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 branches are there. These are the unique elements which are between two nodes. Now when we talk about nodes, the points which have the common potential, they will comprise of single node. So if you see all these 4 points, they are at same potential, so they are one node. Here we have one more, and all these 3 points are also making one single node. The same circuit has been redrawn here, and we can see that there are 3 nodes. Now the next concept is loop and meshes. When we start our journey from one node and we go through multiple branches and come back at the same node, then we make a loop. And a loop which will not have another loop inside it is called mesh. So for example, 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 small loops which are not having any loop inside them. So these 3 will be called as meshes. So in this circuit, 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 meshes. And a loop can be anything. So for example, starting from here and going from here and ending here, this is also a loop. Starting from here, going from there and then ending here is also a loop. So in this circuit we have 6 loops and 3 meshes. So let us take one more example just to identify how many nodes, branches, meshes and loops are there. So I'll say this is my common node. So this is first node. Then I have one more node. Both these points are same, and then I have one more node. Both these points are same. So we have 3 nodes. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. How many meshes are there? 1, 2 and 3. And then we have 6 loops. So this is how you will identify meshes, loops, node and branches. Keep learning. Thank you.